Hello, in front of me I've got NOKIA X30. In this video I'll show you how to add passes to Google Wallet. In the beginning, let's enter Wallet, tap Add to Wallet and select Transit Pass, Loyalty and Gift Card. Firstly, let's go to Transit Pass, and if you are able to find your transit way, select it. You'll be redirected to a website where you have to finish the inside form. Next, let's go to Loyalty and select loyalty card you would like to add, for example, Payback Poland. Now you can scan your card or enter member ID manually. Tap Add to Wallet and it's done. In the end, let's select Gift Card, which is pretty similar to Loyalty Card. Simply select Shop, enter card number, PIN, balance, your notes, tap Add to Wallet, and it's done. All of your cards will appear on the homepage of Google Wallet. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.